Ultimate Vanilla Cloud Latte Recipe. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're floating straight into flavor heaven with something that's soft, sweet, and totally dreamy. The Vanilla Cloud Latte. Imagine a drink that feels like sipping on a vanilla-scented cloud, light, fluffy, and just the right amount of sweet. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 shot, 1 ounce, espresso, or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, whole, oat, almond, or your choice, 1 tablespoon vanilla syrup, see homemade version below, 1 teaspoon sugar, optional, adjust to taste, 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, for extra aroma, ice, optional for iced version, homemade vanilla syrup, optional. Ingredients: 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. Instructions: combine water and sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir until sugar dissolves completely. Remove from heat, add vanilla extract, and let it cool. Store in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Instructions: hot vanilla cloud latte. Brew your espresso and pour it into a tall mug. Heat the milk in a saucepan or microwave until warm but not boiling. Froth the milk using a frother, French press, or whisk until thick and foamy. Stir vanilla syrup and vanilla extract into the espresso. Pour the frothed milk over the coffee slowly, letting the foam rest on top like a cloud. Optional garnish: sprinkle a little vanilla sugar, cinnamon, or crushed vanilla bean on top. For iced vanilla cloud latte, fill a glass with ice, add espresso or strong coffee and vanilla syrup. Top with cold frothed milk or a milk foam made from shaking milk in a jar. Stir lightly and enjoy that sweet cloud effect. Tips: use vanilla bean paste for a richer, more aromatic flavor. For a cloudier foam, blend milk with 1 tablespoon of cold foam, like Starbucks-style milk foam. Add a drizzle of honey or caramel for a dessert-like touch. That's perfection. The sweetness of vanilla, the smoothness of milk, and the warmth of espresso, it's like a hug in a cup. So the next time you want something soothing yet special, try making this Vanilla Cloud Latte at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more coffee creations every week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your mornings magical and your coffee cloud soft. Cloud Yellow. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.